So we are here at the Servaplex ManageEngine ServiceDesk Plus Workshop, and I had with me Nikhil and Srinath. So what's the one key takeaway from your session today?
So my session started off with getting the basics right, followed by Srinath who started with a major incident management, service request management, and then we took over to how you can extend your IT capabilities beyond the IT team to HR, facilities, payroll, finance, etc. And then we had the ITAM session, followed by change management and CMDB. Yeah, so one key takeaway I would say was the AI part, because I saw a lot of smiles for the AI functionalities, especially the Gen AI capabilities, which helps the end users in a flash of a second, and also helps the technicians to swiftly reply to emails, help them build resolutions. And the agents which we launched right now was, I think, the top hit when we said you can auto respond to your end users, you can automatically bridge between multiple internal knowledge space applications, so you can even bring your own LLM. I think that was the highlight of today's C's.
And what worked?
Yeah, I see that customers really wanted to get rid of the old-fashioned ITSM model, right? So they want automation everywhere possible, right? And from a service management perspective, it's no more a generic tool where you raise a ticket. You want everything to be automated. So there is a lot of capabilities that they have brought in, because as a product, we are evolving as a platform. If we no more, call ourselves as a basic ITSM tool, right? We can fit in wherever possible, right? So from that particular point of view, I can see that customers are really focused to do all automation wherever possible. And the second point is purely, as Nikhil said, right, from a incident management perspective, they really wanted to AI come into the picture, bring, or the L1 has to be reduced. Only the possible way to do it is with help of the AI offerings. And of course, we have invested a lot as well. We have our own LLMs in the product at the moment. So that's bringing more value to our customers. And it was a great conversation you're here after a year, I guess.
Yeah.
So, and good to see the faces again. It was a great interaction with them as well. We learned a lot, rather. I hope the customers learned a lot today. Yeah.
That's lovely, and even the Dublin weather, favored us today.
Absolutely.
So that was also great. One last thing from my side is to ask you, like, what's the one immediate thing the attendees should go immediately, for the ITSM infrastructure?
So one is now the AI is the buzzword, right? So everyone's looking for more ways to work smarter, provide more user experience, right? And now agents are also involved, like I already said. So the first thing is stop the old conventional way where you treat all emails as tickets. Roll off the portal first. I think that's the main key to go for our audience today. So once you roll out the portal, that's where you have a space where you can have the AI pop up. You can involve a lot more automation layers, because you park the data in a single space and not just depend on the subject and the email. So yeah, I think that's the most best takeaway for today.
Definitely. Do you have anything to
Absolutely, yes. What I feel is that apart from the existing ITSM offerings, there is more. The customers are really happy for the ITAM offerings as well, asset management offering as well, right? Because another big point that everyone wants to solve is how do you face a compliance and auditing as well. So you need to have a proper or ITAM setup ready. And only then you will be able to be ready to face your auditing or compliance perspective. If you wanted to go to ISO auditing or any compliance perspective as well. So, of course, I believe that customers learned a lot from an ITAM perspective, and they really wanted to adapt to it. And yeah, let's see how it goes with it. Yeah.
That's quite a lot of insights in a nutshell. And I think, like, as the speakers here have also mentioned, there's a lot of good prospect in terms of how we are moving here with Servaplex and ManageEngine towards speech. So a lot of AI capabilities and automation all your way. And just to summarize, we have our upcoming more such events coming forward. Do check out our Servaplex events website. Keep in touch with us and stay secure, stay safe. Till then, thank you.
Thank you.